In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically create sub-items for every new item created on Monday.com. If you're using Monday.com to manage your projects or tasks, you might find that creating sub-items manually every time a new item is added can be quite tedious. Fortunately, Monday.com provides a powerful automation feature that can save you time and ensure consistency across your tasks. Let's dive right in. First, navigate to the specific board where you would like to implement this automation. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen, and you'll notice a button labeled Automate. Clicking this button opens the door to a world of automation possibilities that can streamline your workflow. After clicking Automate, you'll be taken to the Automation's Task Manager. This is where the magic happens, and we have the freedom to tailor an automation to our needs. To start from scratch, look for the option that says Create from Scratch. Select it, and we'll be ready to build our custom automation. Now, let's decide on the trigger that will set our automation in motion. Click on When this happens, which presents a variety of options. For our purpose today, we're interested in the Item Created trigger. This means that whenever a new item is added to your board, our automation will be activated. Next, we need to specify the action that will occur once the trigger is set in motion. Click on Then Do This. And from the list of options, choose Create Subitem. It's a straightforward approach that ensures every new item on your board automatically gets a sub-item, establishing a structured and organized workflow. If your process calls for multiple sub-items to be created with each new item, don't worry, this is easily accommodated. Near the existing Create Sub-item action you've just set, you'll see a plus icon. By clicking this icon, you can add more automated actions. Simply select Create Sub-item again, and repeat this process as needed to match the number of sub-items you wish to generate per new item. This flexibility allows you to tailor the automation to suit the specific needs and complexities of your project. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can automate the creation of sub-items for each new item on your board, enhancing efficiency and maintaining organization in your workflow. Whether you're managing a simple project or coordinating complex tasks, this automation can make a significant difference in how you work on Monday.com. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this feature as useful as I do in optimizing your project management efforts.